Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smita. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating this look of Priyanka Chopra by popular demand from you guys. Paying tribute to her Desi roots, she was seen in a beautiful pale pink Sabyasachi sari as she attended Sophie Turner and Joe Jonas's wedding in France. But more than anything else, what triggered me to recreate or do an inspired look is when she posted those pictures and said hashtag sari, not sorry. I think you should always be proud of your roots, which I absolutely am. And keeping that in mind, let's get started. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every week. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be informed every time I post a new update or a video. Let's start with the makeup and then we'll move on to the hair. To get a flawless base makeup, you need to start with smooth skin. And for that, you need to exfoliate your face, you need to take care of your skin and apply a good moisturizer. I'm using the Rose All Day Moisturizer from Physicians Formula. I'm loving this as well as their under eye cream, which I'll be using soon after this. Her makeup was pretty simple and matte, and that's how we'll keep it today. To fill in the pores and the fine lines, I'm using the Benefit Porefessional. I'm mostly going to be using this in areas where I have fine lines and pores. To neutralize and color correct the dark circles as well as dark patches, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Orange Crayon. You can use any orange color corrector to cancel out the blue underneath and neutralize the color tone to bring it down to your skin tone. I'm lightly going to set it with some Airspun Translucent Loose Powder before I use the foundation over this, which is coming up next, just so it doesn't mix with the foundation and give me an orange tinge. For special occasions, I look at two things in a foundation: long-lasting and full coverage. And for that reason, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade Golden. And the plus points are: one, it is mattifying. We're going for that matte look. And two, it's a drugstore foundation, so it isn't expensive. And for concealer, I'm using my current favorite. This is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Concealer in 145, which is warm beige. And this is the only concealer that doesn't crease on me. And I love the formula. It feels very creamy, but it dries up very quickly and sets very quickly. And those are the three qualities that I look for in any concealer. And this has become my current favorite. I'm using it on the high points of my face to highlight my face, as well as on my lids as an eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be blending everything out seamlessly with a damp beauty sponge before I set my face very lightly with the Benefit Hello Happy Velvet Pressed Powder in shade 6. Now let's move on to the brows and the eyes, and then we'll come back to the face and finish it up. First, to fill in just the sparse areas in my brows to keep it looking very natural, I'm going to be using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in 4.5, which is neutral deep brown. I looked at so many different pictures of Priyanka Chopra, but it was very hard to tell what her exact eye makeup was because she was usually wearing her sunnies or the picture was taken from very far away. So I'm running with my imagination today, although I felt like I spotted a shade of pink in her eye makeup. So I'm going to be showing you a beautiful monotone neutral pink eyeshadow look which you can wear every day or to special occasions. And best of all, it is so simple to create because you'll be using just one eyeshadow. And that one eyeshadow is Plum Baby from the Endless Possibilities palette from Folklore. I'm first taking this with a large blending brush to smoke this out at the crease very light-handedly so it melts into my skin tone. And then I'm going to saturate my lids with the same eyeshadow using a flat shader brush. This one's from Urban Decay. And then I'm going to use the blending brush one more time to even out the shade throughout my lid as well as my crease and blend out everything seamlessly. Using a small definer brush, again I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow to smoke it out in my lower lash line. Priyanka had black in her waterline, so I'm going to be using the Jordana Easy Liner in black, which is basically a black eye pencil in my waterline. It didn't look like she had any false lashes, so I'm going to just curl my lashes and apply a good coat of mascara so my natural lashes look thicker and longer. And the mascara that I'm using is the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. To bring back some warmth and dimension into this look, I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer, and it's a matte bronzer, so it works perfectly for this look because we're going for that matte look. And while we are at it, I'm going to lightly contour my nose because I don't want my nose to feel left out and just like the odd man out, because everything else is contoured and well put together except my nose, like it's just chilling there. I want it to be a part of everything else, so I'm going to contour it. For a light flush of color, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Growth Flirt blush, and I'm going to be applying it with this super soft synthetic brush from Milani. On her lip, she had a muted pink lip color with a purple undertone, and for that I'm using Fade Out from Carity. And to set and seal everything, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. So that finishes up the makeup. Now let's move on to the hair. Again, she had a very elegant low messy bun. She had center parted her hair, curling it in front. And to accessorize her hair, she used two pretty pink roses that went very well with her entire ensemble. I'm going to center part my hair and further break it down into two sections in front, and those are the sections that I'll be curling later on. With the hair in the back, I'm going to lightly tease it to create that extra volume. And just like a half up, half down hairdo, I'm going to take the top half of my hair and tie a ponytail. I'm going to create a split right on top of the rubber band and insert the hair into it to create a twist. This is going to create extra dimension and give more character to the hair, and it'll also give us the flexibility to loosen up the hair in front and on top without spoiling the bun. Now I'm going to gather all the hair in the back and start tying a ponytail. And while I insert the last round of the rubber band, I'm going to stop midway. We're going to keep the extra hair aside for now. But first we'll work on the bun. So we'll take the bun, spread it out, and we'll use bobby pins to secure it on either sides. And now we'll take the extra hair, give it one good twist, and then we'll take it around the bun, concealing all other bobby pins, and we'll pin it with one bobby pin, and your messy low bun is ready. If you feel like you sectioned out too much hair in front, you can part it, twist it, and pin it in the back. To curl the hair in front, I'm going to be using the Maidenia 2-in-1 curler and straightener. If you want a complete description of this product, it's in my July favorites, and I'm going to link that video right on top. At this point, you can spritz some hairspray to set your hair, but I'm going to skip that part because I'm shooting another video after this for which I need to do a different hairstyle. I got this silk rose bouquet from a craft store called Michael's. I'm going to cut a couple stems from this and place it in my bun. A pale pink sari and these beautiful crystal earrings from Adrian Vittadini complete this look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and liked the final look. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to watch more videos like these, comment below and let me know. For your information, I'm listing all the products that I used with links in the description box below. You'll also find my Instagram and Facebook accounts there. So in case you plan to recreate this look and tag me, or you just want to follow me, that's where you'll find the links in the description box. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.